What if I told you that the challenges you've been facing, the setbacks, the disappointments, and all those moments where you felt stuck could shift in just 1 minute? Not next month, not next year, but right now. I know it sounds almost too good to be true, but today I'm going to share a simple yet life-changing technique that's helping people around the world see real transformations. Take a moment to think about that one thing you've been longing for. Maybe it's a healthier, more energetic version of yourself, financial security that lets you breathe easier, or a relationship filled with love and connection. Whatever it is, hold that thought close, because what I'm about to share isn't just based on hope, it's backed by real science. Dr. Joe Dispenza has spent years researching how our brains and emotions shape our reality, and his findings are nothing short of fascinating. Here's how it works when you deeply feel an emotion, whether it's gratitude, excitement, or joy, while imagining the life you want. Your brain begins to change. It creates new neural connections, guiding you toward that very reality. Think of it like planting a seed. When you nurture it with care and consistency, it grows into something real and tangible. For instance, let's say you've been hoping to improve your health. Instead of focusing on how tired or unwell you feel, try this: close your eyes and visualize yourself as vibrant, active, and full of energy. Picture yourself waking up refreshed, smiling, and ready to tackle the day. Feel the excitement as if it's already happening. That combination of emotion and vision triggers your brain to create new pathways, aligning your thoughts and actions with the reality you desire. This isn't just a feel-good exercise, it's a proven method to shift your mindset and, ultimately, your life. And the best part? You can start right now. Every time you have a thought, your brain sends out electrical signals, like tiny sparks firing in your mind. And whenever you feel an emotion, your body releases powerful chemicals that affect how you think, act, and even see the world. The exciting thing is, when you intentionally combine your thoughts and emotions, your brain shifts into something scientists call a coherent state. Now, here's the common mistake people make with manifestation. They think it's all about sitting for hours, forcing themselves to visualize their dream life. But the truth, your brain works best with short, focused bursts of energy. Imagine this: if you wanted to get fit, would you spend hours half-heartedly walking on a treadmill, or would you get better results from a quick, intense 20-minute workout? It's the same with your mind-focused, intentional effort gets you much closer to your goals. Let's say you've been trying to manifest a dream job. Instead of overthinking it for hours, try this: close your eyes and picture yourself already working in that role. Imagine walking into the office, shaking hands with your colleagues, or seeing your name on the door. Feel the pride, excitement, and confidence that come with it. Spend just 1 minute fully immersed in that vision. By doing this, you're not just dreaming, you're training your brain to believe it's already happening. Here's the coolest part: your brain can't tell the difference between what's real and what you vividly imagine. When you feel that strong emotion paired with the mental picture, your brain starts releasing chemicals as if your dream job is already yours. This not only rewires your brain, but also influences the energy around you. Research shows that when you're in this state, your thoughts and emotions send out electromagnetic signals that affect the world around you. It's not magic, it's science. Every thought and feeling you focus on has the power to shape your reality. So, the next time you want to manifest something, don't overthink or complicate it. Take 1 minute, focus your energy, and feel it like it's already real. That's where the magic starts. Let me walk you through a powerful 1-minute practice that can truly shift your reality. Pay close attention, because every step has been carefully designed to align your mind and body for transformation. This isn't just a random exercise, it's a process rooted in both ancient wisdom and modern science. We'll begin with the first 15 seconds, something I like to call the intentional breath. This isn't your everyday breathing, it's about focusing your energy. Close your eyes and take 3 slow, deep breaths. As you breathe in, imagine a warm, golden light entering the top of your head and flowing through your entire body. See this light filling you with energy and awakening every cell. Now, as you exhale, let go of all the mental clutter, your worries, doubts, and fears. Picture them melting away with each breath out. This kind of breathing does something amazing. It activates your rest and reset mode, helping your mind slow down and shift gears. It's like putting your brain into a calm, open state, making it ready to receive the changes you want to create. Now comes the heart of the practice, the next 30 seconds, or what I call the creation moment. This is where you move beyond just thinking about your desires and start experiencing them. Let's say you're manifesting health. Don't just picture it, feel it. Imagine yourself strong and full of energy. Feel your body vibrant, healthy, and alive. If your goal is abundance, go beyond just visualizing wealth. Imagine the peace that financial freedom brings, the joy of living without limits, or the excitement of helping others. The secret here is intensity. Your emotions are what make this work. Don't just go through the motions, immerse yourself in the feeling, as if it's already real. Let your gratitude grow so big it fills you up, and let the joy of your vision make you smile. This isn't pretending, it's stepping into the version of you that already has everything you're working toward. Let's say you're manifesting financial abundance. Close your eyes and picture yourself with all the money you need. Don't just think about it, feel it. Imagine the excitement of paying off your bills, the freedom to travel, or the joy of helping others. Let that feeling of gratitude and happiness fill you up like it's already happening. You should be smiling, not because you're pretending, but because you're connecting with the version of you that's already living this reality. Now, learning the technique is great, but the real magic happens when you know how to make it part of your daily routine. This is where many people miss out, not because the method doesn't work, but because they overlook a few simple but powerful details. Timing is the first thing we need to talk about. The best time to do this practice is right when you wake up. Why? Because your brain is still in what's called the theta state, a super receptive mode that makes it easier to influence your subconscious mind. Think of it like having a direct line to your inner world before the day's distractions take over. So, instead of reaching for your phone or jumping straight into your to-do list, take just 1 minute for this practice. Trust me, it's worth it. Now, here's the second key: consistency. It's like building any skill. Imagine trying to get in shape by working out for one intense day and then doing nothing for weeks. It wouldn't work, right? The same goes for this. One focused minute every single day is far more powerful than trying to cram hours into random moments. It's the daily repetition that creates lasting change. It's about what you do with the energy you create. Once you've completed your 1 minute, stay open to what happens throughout your day. Maybe a new opportunity will present itself, or you'll have a moment of clarity about your next step. These are not random, they're the universe aligning with your energy. When you notice these moments, act on them. Even the smallest action can create a ripple effect. And don't get discouraged if you don't see massive changes overnight. Remember, this practice is doing more than shifting your thoughts. It's rewiring your brain, changing your energy, and creating new possibilities in your life. At first, the changes might feel subtle. Maybe you'll notice yourself feeling calmer and more positive, or that unexpected doors start opening. These little shifts are proof that it's working, so trust the process. So, take that 1 minute each day and stick with it. You might be amazed at what unfolds.